Hey y'all, it's Zoe and welcome back to another video on my channel. So today I'm doing another Crash Course Taiwan video. This is not sponsored, but it was something that really helped me during my time in Taiwan, and I wanted to make this video to hopefully help you all too. So let's get into this video. Alright, so as you can tell by the title of today's video, today I'm going to be talking to you about how to use Google Maps to the best of your abilities. The reason why it's Google Maps is because Google Maps is what is most commonly used in Taiwan. You can use Apple Maps. Sometimes it's not as accurate, and similarly with Google, sometimes like it might miss things that maybe Apple has and like vice versa, but I found that Google Maps had pretty much everything I needed. Like I never felt like there was anything I couldn't find on Google Maps. And when I was traveling around to other countries as well, Google Maps was very helpful because, except for Korea, because Korea uses like a whole different like map system. But anyways, I have been using Google Maps ever since I came back from Taiwan, and I've been really enjoying being able to use it. I didn't know that I could do this, and just to preface, you can do this with Apple Maps as well. It like lets you do the same thing, but I think it's cool. I don't know if you can do like all the emojis and stuff that you can do on Google Maps, so I like it because I can like do emojis and stuff. So I am going to try and screen share so that I can pop it up on the screen next to me so that y'all know what I'm talking about. Alright, so here we have Google Maps. Right now it shows where I am in, which is in Michigan. Basically, what you can do if we go over here to Taiwan. Oh, well, first of all, there's my little Japan emoji. So if you can see, it looks, there's like a whole bunch of little gray dots. They're just all around the country, and if you zoom in, they become little emojis. And I lived up here in the north, which is why there's so many dots, especially here in Taipei. Just look at all that. I know it looks like very chaotic, but anyways, basically what you can do is you can create these lists, and I separated them by county. So if we scroll all the way down, this is where we have all of the stuff from Taiwan. And you can also like, they have these like ones that come with it already, which is like the starred, the want to go, the travel plans. So what I did was I named each thing after the county that I was in. So you don't have to separate it like I did. You can put all of Taiwan into one category, but I liked separating it by county because there were so many counties, and because there's so many places that I saved in my Taipei one that I wanted to make a separate one. So what I like to do was I used like the English Arabic alphabet, but you could definitely use like Chinese characters or any other characters that you might use. And then for the emoji, I usually did something that sounded similar to what it was called, or was related to it in some way, or was like the translation of it. So like for this one, Meowly, because meow sounds like a cat, so I put a cat. And Hualien, it's like about flowers, so I put a flower. And then I have them for like Vietnam as well. I have like regular Vietnam, I have like Ho Chi Minh, which is where we were at. And so essentially what it lets you do is it lets you save places so it's easier to find them in the future. So I'm able to like send them to friends if I'm meeting up with them somewhere, or if like I forgot how to get to this place, let me find it easily. So if I don't always remember the name of the place that I'm looking for, I can go into these folders and I can say, hey, what was the name of that place that I was looking for? So let's go to Taipei, New Taipei. So this is where I lived, which was Taipei, New Taipei. And so as you can see, I have so many things. And what you can do, this is like add a note. If it was like my friend's apartment, I might put like friend's apartment, or if it just seemed to be like some random thing. So that's what I really liked about this place, is like it let me find things very easily. It let me add things very easily. And if we go to Jinshan, this is like where I lived, so I was able to like, I basically every time I found something new, something cool, if it was a restaurant, if it was a shop, I would like save it. As you can see, I have saved a ton of things on my AA, U of M, IPSI. These are just like places I've been, restaurants that I really like to go to. So yeah, it's a lot of fun. I've been saving different areas for like different cities in Michigan. You can also save trips, and what this means is like if there's a route that you take to get from one place to the other, you can save that as a trip and then pull it up easier the next time you need to access that specific trip. So anyways, I found this very useful because there were so many cool places to go in Taiwan. In Taiwan, it's like small but like a lot to do. So I found it very easy to like consolidate all of them into like one Google Maps folder, and then I could easily like be like, oh hey, I really liked that place, like let's go back. And every time I found something new, it's like, hey, something new to add. And so I kind of like it as like an archive. I like it as like a way to like look back if I ever go back to Taiwan, which I really do want to go back to Taiwan. I can like pull it up and be like, I really like this place, maybe I should stay around here. Or if people ask me for suggestions, because that's, I've been sending it to some friends who are going to Taiwan next year, which I'm so excited for them to go. But anyways, I hope that this video was helpful for you. Let me know if you also use Google Maps. I really like to use it. I've been trying to like add all the places that I went to back home before, because like I've only done this until like recently. So every time I go home, I try to like add places that are in my area, that are near my house, that I used to go to a lot when I was little, so I could like save it in its own little Dallas folder. So anyways, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. Let me know if there are any other crash course videos. I don't know if there are many videos left that I can really talk about. I tried to touch on things like as the cycle progresses, and most of the videos over the summer are pretty much already done. So my packing videos, my placement form videos, my health exam videos, those are already up. So I don't really know what other kinds of videos to make for crash course. So maybe this is it, but let me know in the comments if there are any other videos related to Taiwan, related to the Fulbright experience that you want to know. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!